So okay friends, let us understand how to create an array of strings and print them. Okay, so array of strings, that's what we are going to do here, and then we'll print it using enhanced for loop or for each loop. This for each loop is also known as enhanced for loop. Okay, so let's try to understand how it works. First I'll create an array of strings. So string names, this is an array, is equal to new string. Let's say there are 3 strings objects I want to create. Okay, now this is actually not an array of strings, it's an array of reference. Okay, we'll create these objects now. So first object names 0, this is my first object, is equal to new. You can use new, and then you can put a constructor here in double quote, and you can write, for example, Axman. Okay, so this is my first object. Okay, sorry, it should be new string Axman. Okay, this is my first object. Since it's a string, you can create an object in a simple way also. You can directly write down this Axman. Okay, this also works. This only works because it's a string object. Okay, for our own class we cannot do this, you have to call a constructor. Fine, so you can create name 1 as a, for example, Manish. Name last element name 2. As I told you, you can now we will create new string as well, not an issue. We are calling constructor, same thing, for example rock. Okay, so now you have 3 objects. Okay, and we want to print them. Now we'll use the for each loop. So what is the function? For first. Now this is only used when there is an array you want to print. So for, now what is the type? Of course we have a string type, so we'll use a string. Now you can put n, you can write down anything. Now we have to put a colon, string n. Now what is the name of array? Of course names, right? So now let's understand what this will do. It will, this n will get the values from this names array. First it will take the Axman value, it will go into n and will print n, of course, here. Now we are going to print n directly here, n. Okay, so it will take, it will start from 0. The first name will be Axman, it will go into n, we are printing it. Next time Manish, it will take Manish, it will put into n, we'll print it. Then automatically it will go to the last element rock and will print it. Okay, so advantages, when you want to print an array, it is very useful, it is very useful. Okay, the disadvantage here is you don't have an index, so you don't have a element 0, element 1, element 2. If you want to print, for example, element 5 directly, you don't get a number, right? You don't get a number here, there is no array index which you can use. So if you just want to print it, this is very good. Let's run it. As you can see, Axman, Manish and rock. This is how enhanced for loop works. First you create an array. Okay, what is the type of array? Please look into that. So if it's a string array, you can put string. If it's an integer array, you can put int here. And then you put any variable here, x, y, z, n, doesn't matter. Then colon, and what is the name of array that you want to print? You place it here. So this is going to work. Okay, good.